Why you didn't tell me that when you start something new, you might want to declutter and clean out the whole place? I don't know what it is about me starting this new job. I just started this whole new journey. It just tells me that I need to declutter and change everything out. There's some stuff that I had in the house that I needed to put out, and I was like, okay, I start this job pretty soon. Let me go ahead and just start cleaning. And then the thing is, when I do start working, I'm going to only have a few days to do certain things. I don't know what made me think that I could push this, I could empty this, get it down the stairs by myself. And I did do it though, but something in me, I don't know what it is, something in me said, you can do this, empty it out, clean it out, and fight to bring it down the stairs, and you will get it done. And I did. I just needed to clear out certain spaces before I started working, because I feel like when you're space clear, you're mentally clear. And I have a lot of things that I needed to get rid of either way. And I was like, okay, I'm going to start working. My time is going to be limited. So let's take on the heavy task right now.